तो अपने पर्दे कर्टेन्स आप लगा देते हो अपने दरवाजे के आगे, आपको हवा ना लगे, ठंड ना लगे, कहीं से भी हवा नहीं लगनी चाहिए, ठंड लगती है ना। हम कैप पहनते हैं, सॉक्स पहनते हैं, ग्लव्स पहनते हैं, क्यों पहनते हैं? क्योंकि हमारी जो जलवायु है वो हमारे क्लोथ्स पे भी अफेक्ट करती है, फूड पे भी अफेक्ट करती है। हम गर्म फूड खाना पसंद करते हैं सर्दियों में, और गर्मी आती है हम तो ठंडा खाना पसंद करते हैं। हमें लगता है आज ठंडा ठंडा आइसक्रीम खाएं या नींबू पानी पिए। ऐसे ही प्लांट्स की लाइफ को भी अफेक्ट करती है, एनिमल्स की लाइफ को भी अफेक्ट करती है, और पीपल की लाइफ को भी अफेक्ट करती है। बट अफेक्ट कौन करती है? क्लाइमेट, जलवायु। क्लियर टू ऑल? नाउ we read about the heat zone. What is heat zone? Firstly, we read Earth divided into 3 heat zone. Earth को 3 heat zone में बांटा गया है. The first is torrid zone, second is frigid zone, and third is temperate zone. Okay. Now look at the picture. This picture look like the same in last chapter we read about I think latitudes. Latitudes you read na? So in latitudes you all read about these latitudes. Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Tropic of Capricorn, and the Antarctica Circle. You have read na? Okay. Now the degree: 66.5 degree north, 23.5 degree north, 0 degree. Who has the degree of 0? Equator. Yes, you are right. And 23.5 degrees south, Tropic of Capricorn. Now the 66.5 degree south, Antarctica Circle. This portion is same as the latitudes because these are belonging to this zones. Why? I am telling you. Look at here. Firstly, you know this is the North Pole and this point is the South Pole. ये both point जो upper point है यानी the top most part of our earth is north and the bottom most part of the earth is South Pole. Okay. Now this is frigid zone and this is also frigid zone. अरे दो frigid zone, नॉर्थ टेम्परेट जोन एंड साउथ टेम्परेट जोन. अरे यहाँ पर भी दो है, बट ये टोरिड जोन एक क्यों है? सोचो क्यों है? अरे ये तो नॉर्थ में है और ये सारे साउथ में है. बस इतनी सी बात थी, आपको समझ नहीं आ रही? ओके, नाउ यू क्लियर. लुक एट, this is north frigid zone, this is north temperate zone, this is south temperate zone, and this one is south frigid zone. Now you clear? Now the torrid zone. Firstly, I'm telling about you torrid zone, the area lying between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn is the hottest part of the earth. It is called the torrid zone. This is the definition of torrid zone. I will repeat the definition. The area lying between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn is the hottest part of the earth. It is the torrid zone. Now you clear the definition of torrid zone. Okay, because tomorrow in last video I will tell about this topic. Look at this topic. I already told कि सन रेज जो है इक्वेटर के पास डायरेक्ट पड़ती है. Those area feel the direct rays of sun. That is the hottest part of the earth, hottest region of the earth. Equatorial region feel the hottest, hot area. Okay, because सन रेज जहां पर सीधी पड़ती है, जो हमने ये पढ़ा कि जब सन रेज हमारे पे सीधी पड़ती हैं तो हमें गर्मी ज्यादा लगती है. तो इसलिए जो एरिया इक्वेटर के पास होते हैं उनमें हमें गर्मी ज्यादा लगती है. क्लियर टू ऑल. नाउ द नेक्स्ट डेफिनेशन. नेक्स्ट डेफिनेशन इज फ्रीजिड जोन. The area lying near the pole that lies between the Arctic Circle. This is Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle and North Pole in the northern hemisphere. Okay, this is the North Frigid Zone. Clear? And this is the South Frigid Zone, and this lies between Antarctic Circle to South Pole. Okay, in southern hemisphere. This portion is in southern hemisphere. This portion is in northern hemisphere. But they both feel the same temperature. Why? We will back again our last topic. Look at here. Because the sun rays is slanting near the North Pole, and the sun rays also slanting near the South Pole. Because in the morning sun rays are slanting, and in the evening sun rays also slanting. Okay, so the North Pole and the South Pole feel the less rays of sun. That's why these are frigid zone. Okay, now you clear the definition about frigid zone. Okay, now this one is left. Both part are left. Now we read about both. What is North Temperate Zone? The area lying between the torrid, this is torrid zone, and frigid zone, यानी torrid zone के और frigid zone के बीच का जो एरिया बचता है, this area, this is torrid zone. This is North Temperate Zone. This is South Temperate Zone. Okay. Now I am filling some color in frigid zone. This is frigid zone, and this is also frigid zone. Okay. Now the one more color I will take and fill in the temperate zone, North Temperate Zone. This is North, and this is South, but this is South Temperate Zone. The color combination you in help in difference between the zones. Okay, and now I fill okay. This is torrid zone. Orange color, both orange color show the tropics. This is Tropic of Capricorn and this is Tropic of Cancer. Both purple color show the circles, Arctic and Antarctic, and this sky color show the equator or the torrid zone. Now we clear about the definition of north and south. I think you clear about Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle, frigid zone and the torrid zone. Now we read this portion. The area lying between the torrid and the frigid zone in both hemispheres is neither very hot nor very cold. This region is known as temperate zone. ना ज़्यादा ठंडे ना ज़्यादा गर्म, दोनों में ना ज़्यादा ठंड रहती है और ना ही ज़्यादा गर्मी रहती है, इसलिए ये जोन टेम्परेट जोन कहलाते हैं. यहाँ पर जो टेम्परेचर होता है वो मॉडरेट होता है. कैसा टेम्परेचर होता है? मॉडरेट. मॉडरेट मतलब मिडल, मीडियम. ओके, like I am showing this picture again. Look at here. The sun here is slanting. Here is also slanting. Here is also direct. But this portion take less rays of sun. But near the equator. So these portion, equator portion, face more rays of sun, but north temperate zone or the south temperate zone feel less rays of sun. So that's why here is nor very cold and neither very hot. Okay students, I think you all have cleared this topic. Tomorrow we will discuss the last topic, factor influencing climate. Okay student, bye bye.